Hi, I'm Lane.
And I'm Melissa.
And we own Smith & Sons Franklin.
We are a renovation specialist.
We're builders by trade, and then we go around doing the renovations, the bathrooms, the decks, your big extensions, your small extensions and all that kind of stuff. So we're trying to take care of all the renovations locally. We're with an accountant and it wasn't quite working out well. We sort of needed the next sort of challenge and someone to work with, and that's when we came across Andrew with us. We've been working with them for probably...
Since 2011, easily.
Yeah.
When we started working with them, we were quite a new company. We didn't really know how to grow the business and get the numbers working how we wanted them to work. Our working relationship with Andrew as our accountant has always been that, hey, this is what we're looking at doing. We'd love your input or your advice. Is this the right thing or the right timing for us to do?
Support's been awesome. There's no wrong way, right way. It's just a gentle sort of persuasion to, okay, how about this or whatnot, and then it's kind of things are just taken off from there. Quarterly business coaching is awesome.
We meet with Andrew and Deborah every quarter and just have a good look at our numbers, where we're heading, any opportunities we might have that could grow the business.
You're keeping up to date. So they're bringing all the information in as of what it is on that day. So you know how much more sales you need to do and all that kind of stuff. So it's just bringing things back to the forefront, I guess, so you know what you need to check yourself on. And then having them being there to, I guess, help us drive and just remind us what we need to be doing to achieve. If you can set goals and sort of drive yourself to the next quarter, then that's huge. And I think that's probably been a huge difference in becoming profitable within the last sort of couple of years.
As husband and wife, doesn't mean we go home and work on our business. We set up a meeting and actually go and have that sounding board with Andrew and Deborah.
We didn't do the coaching from the beginning with Andrew, so I know we've been doing that for three years.
Yeah.
And that's when it's like business has actually got exciting, because you're able to picture it a lot easier. And it's just a completely different mindset from going from the tools, because all you're worrying about is getting a roof on and all that kind of stuff. But then just sitting or having time to sit down and just run over all that kind of stuff, it's pretty cool.
Yeah.
Which I didn't think I'd ever say.
Definitely makes us feel way more positive about our business and the direction that we're going. It gives us clarity of that direction, but it also makes us pretty proud of our little business.
And Andrew's pretty quick to say that too. As soon as we're sort of leaving, he's like, you should be proud of what you've achieved.